For draw a face from side, first we draw an oval, split in half, and place it inside a rectangle. I draw the line on the face side slightly curved, draw a line at the bottom, draw a triangle here, and bring it slightly forward from the face line. That's our nose. The bulk of the forehead falls on the middle line. I also mark the lines for the head. The circle in the middle represents the temple. Now we draw eyes here with a little space from the right line. Draw like glasses to indicate the eye sockets. This is our temple and we have to shade it. And this is a bar from the forehead. Shade temple. Draw ears in this rectangle and under the temple. Shade ears like this. Those lines for nose, and for lips we need 2 circles. Draw a small indent under the nose. Half the circle until main line and draw upper lip until the line. Slightly curve the lip line up and bring it down again. For the lower lip we draw a soft curved line. Then draw a second circle for chin. Draw chin like this and draw a jaw. Draw a triangle for neck and shade it. Half the rectangle for a neck size. For the front of the neck we draw like this, and we have to draw Adam's apple for men. A line from under the ear to add volume to the neck. Shade like this. We draw a line from the top of the ear to the chin, which becomes the jawline. And that's for character's cheek. Shade the upper lips like this and underline the lower lips. At the end, shade a rectangle under the lips. Well done! Practice again and subscribe for more.